Welcome back to Digital Wiz Academy. In our previous video, we explored Figma's interface and basic tools. Now, we're going to delve into the basics of designing in Figma. This video will cover creating frames and artboards, shapes, vector editing, and working with text. Let's jump in and start designing. Dear friends, frames and artboards are foundational elements in Figma, helping you structure your designs for different devices and screen sizes. Let's talk about difference between frames and artboards. In Figma, frames act as containers for your design elements, similar to artboards and other design tools. Frames can be nested, allowing you to create complex layouts. Dear friends, hope you will understand about a little difference between frames and artboards. Let's move on to our next topic, which is setting up frames. Dear friends, to create a frame, select the Frame tool and draw on the canvas. You can choose from preset device sizes or create custom dimensions. Frames help you organize your design elements and maintain a consistent layout. There is also another way to make frames is by using artboards. Dear friends, artboards are a type of frame used to represent individual screens or pages. You can create multiple artboards within a single project, making it easy to design multi-screen experiences. Let's talk about shapes and vector editing. Dear friends, shapes and vector editing are essential for creating custom designs and illustrations. Let's talk about some important tips related to shapes and vector editing. Drawing and editing shapes. Use shape tools to draw basic shapes. Once created, you can resize, rotate, and customize shapes in the Properties panel. Pen tool for custom shapes. The pen tool allows you to create custom vector shapes by drawing paths. Click to create points and drag to create curves. This tool is ideal for creating complex illustrations and unique shapes. Editing vector shapes. Select a shape and use the Vector Edit tool to adjust individual points and paths. You can add, remove, and adjust points to refine your shapes. Hope you will thoroughly understand some tips and uses on shapes and vector editing. Now we move on to the very last topic of today's discussion, that is working with text. Dear friends, text is a crucial element in design, and Figma provides powerful tools for adding and styling text. There are some important points while working with text. Number 1 on my list is adding and styling text. Dear friends, use the text tool to add text to your design. You can customize fonts, sizes, colors, and more in the Properties panel. Figma supports Google Fonts, giving you access to a wide range of typefaces. Second one on my list is font selection and management. Dear friends, choose from a variety of fonts and styles to match your design's aesthetic. You can also adjust text alignment, line height, and letter spacing for better readability. Now the third and last one on my list is text alignment and spacing. Dear friends, proper text alignment and spacing are essential for creating clean, readable designs. Use the alignment tools in the Properties panel to align text within frames and adjust spacing for a polished look. So dear friends, that concludes our tutorial on designing basics in Figma. You've learned how to create frames and artboards, draw and edit shapes, and work with text. In our next video, we'll explore advanced designing techniques, including components, styles, and using images and icons. Don't forget to subscribe to Digital Wiz Academy and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's continue mastering Figma together.